Hello everyone, my name is Ray Smith. Hopefully this is not the first video you've seen of me, but if it is, I love to buy and sell currencies. I've been doing it for 12 years. And it's something that's wonderful. It's something that can boost your retirement. You can retire earlier, and it's fun. Most people do it through Forex trading. They don't use a broker. And so what I want to do is this. I want to help you in your journey. So I have a report I want to read you, but I want you to leverage this information I give you according to all the other information you got so you can make a great decision. And then at the end, I got something for you free. Now again, this is information. You leverage this information. And also, even after you take your journey and look at this information I give you, I really love that you would share with me and share with me as you see what I'm sharing with you and see if this is beneficial to you, because I have really done my best to share with you the best out there, that your journey will be successful, okay? So that being said, this is a report, all right? It says here, and this is something to be specific for beginners. It's so important that beginners find the right source, the right place, all right? Okay, anyway, this is the report, all right? So, are you feeling disoriented in the chaotic world of Forex trading? The words that they say, but really, the report is really good, okay? You're not alone, my dear friend. Numerous beginners find it daunting to make accurate decisions without assistance. Fortunately, there is an answer that can simplify your journey and make it more profitable. Forex signals. Think of Forex signals as your personal trading mentor. These are recommendations provided by experienced traders or automated systems that advise you when to buy or to sell a current pair. And as I continue to read this, as I was doing my trading and everything, I'm telling you, who you get your information from is essential, all right? And so there's surveys of the best companies out there, and this is what they're saying about Forex signals, okay? It says here, the best part, they can communicate via SMS, email, or mobile app, make it incredibly easy for you to keep track of the market. But why Forex signals ideal for beginners? Well, firstly, they enable you to avoid the steep learning curve. Let's face it, in Forex trading, necessitates a lot of research time and effort to master, but with signals, you can begin trading right away without having to learn everything from the start. You can follow the recommendations of experienced traders and learn from their expertise, making it simpler for you to make profitable trades. Additionally, Forex signals can help you evade emotional trading, and this is so great. Emotion, I'm telling you, you can get excited about something, but if you don't make money, then it can like a balloon that just deflates, okay? I'm telling you, you need to take your time and make a good decision. Don't rush. You say, oh, I want to make a profit right away. No, don't rush. Make a good decision, okay? That's well thought of, all right? Okay, let's continue. It says here, when you're new to trading, it's easy to get swept away by your emotions, as we said. Fear, greed, and hope can all result in poor trading decisions. But with Forex signals, you can eliminate the emotion and base your decisions on market trends and data. And let's not overlook the most critical aspect, time. As a beginner, you probably don't have a lot of time to continuously monitor the market. Again, because many of you may want to, you're thinking about retirement, right? You already have a job, you already have something, and so you want to do something part-time, okay? It says here, that's where Forex signals come in handy. They provide you with real-time updates and recommendations on when to trade. You can concentrate on other things while still making money trading. You might be wondering, how do you choose the best Forex trading signals provider? Well, first and foremost, let's look at a provider with a commendable track record. Check their past performance and read reviews from their traders to see if they are dependable. Also, want to ensure that the provider offers various channels for receiving signals. The more alternatives you have, the easier it will be for you to track everything. And of course, customer service is critical. You want a provider that is responsible and easy to contact in case you have any inquiries. But before you dive in and begin trading, remember that Forex signals are not foolproof. It is easy. Let's say again. It is necessary to educate yourself about the market and conduct your own research. And that's what I'm saying about this. Even though I'm reading you this report, this should be in addition to what you already have found. You know, your own research, okay? It says here, Forex signals are valuable tools, but they are not a replacement for knowledge and experience. Amen. And see, when you have more knowledge and you have more experience, then you actually see the benefit of Forex signals. All right? And please do not fall for promises of guaranteed profits or unrealistic returns. Any provider that claims to have a 100% success rate is most likely a scam. Instead, look for a provider that is transparent about the risks involved in trading and equips you with the tools you need to make informed decisions. In conclusion, Forex signals are a fantastic tool for beginners who want to start trading on the stock market. By selecting a dependable provider, conducting your research, and setting practical expectations, you can commence your trading journey with confidence. Remember, be patient. Discipline are critical to success in Forex trading. So wait, it says here, and I'm saying this to you because I have something for you free. Choose a dependable provider and start making profitable trades today. So there's a link below, and it's free. You can sign up, and you know, it's like buying a car. You can kick the tires, right? So you can look around, see what's there for you, and just, you know, try it and see if it works for you. And also, we would like you to get back with us as you research this. If you look at this, give us your recommendation. Give us what you have found, and I will include that in the journey for others. All right, God bless you, and good trading.